Are you ready to answer your lovely questions? Dito na malalaman kung sinong uuwi ng corona. So, sir, I would like you to... Okay. Okay, candidate number 1. Diyan kita sa dalong, pero hindi kita kaigo sa babaw. Okay, so, candidate number 1. Ano ba siya mo subong ni aside sinagot to, French, kaya pa? Ay, langga ato naman. Basta na ako? Okay, so our contestant number 1 from Sitio Paho, Miss Kiana Alang Margarita. So, nakapigil na sa imo nga question. Okay, lang nga. Here's the question. Okay. Would you like me to read that one for you, or you would like to absorb the question first? Okay. Here's the question. Being a transformational icon means standing up for the planet, even when no one is watching. What personal commitment will you make today to continue this advocacy after the spotlight fades? Would you like me to read again the question? Okay. So, go ahead. Take it away, candidate number 1.
You know, I respect my responsibility when it comes to my advocacy, which is to promote eco-friendly habits in this barangay. Not just in this barangay, but in the whole world, rather. Well, if I could turn this on my advocacy to open the world in their eyes to use the triple R, which is the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Well, it composed the beauty of our planet, which is the earth, and I thank you.
Okay, it was actually answered by reuse, reduce, and recycle. So now, thank you so much, candidate number 1 from Sitio Paho. And our second candidate from Sitio Buwang. Langga, choose your question. Okay, would you like me to read, or would you like to read the question first? Yeah.
If you become the trash formational icon 2025, what legacy do you want to leave, not just in fashion, but in the hearts of your community?
Would you like me to repeat or take it away?
Thank you for that question, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I will become the trash formational icon 2025, my legacy will be one of empowered action, an inspiration, and a motivation, not just only for fashion, but also on how we think and protect our environment. I envision my community ignited by passion for environmental responsibility, remembering me not just for stylish, sustainable fashion, but for tangible change. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sitio Buwang. Okay, so again, judges, are we clear to relate the questions? It's all clear? Okay. So, candidate number 3 from Sitio Hospital. Okay, so here's the question. In a world where climate action often feels to be unreachable, how would you use your platform to make sustainability real and relatable for others? Judges, are we good with the question? Thank you for that wonderful question.
Ladies and gentlemen, I turn sustainability into actionable art, trash to art passion, community workshop and mentoring and community workshop. Wait. Wait lang. Community workshop. Wait. Relax. Community workshop. Community workshop, stories that show ecotourism is in a grand gesture, but choosing to rebuild. I made climate action feel human, ignite pride in local solutions, and prove that every scrap upcycled is rebellion against waste. And let my platform screams, stop, change, hey, wait lang. Change, stop, and stop waiting, and stop waiting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Sicho Hospital. And now, candidate number 4, Sicho Motor. Okay, Langga, choose your question. Okay. Carrie, okay, I'm gonna read the question twice, or once, or okay, can you twice? Okay, judges, here's the question. Imagine your costume standing in a museum 50 years from now. What story do you hope it will tell future generations about who you were and what you stood for?
Thank you so much for that very wonderful question. If my costume was given the chance to be in a museum 50 years from now, I want the future generations to think that my costume isn't just about the fashion. It is about the silver lining to a better world, to create a more sustainable world. So that's why let us all take one step forward to make our world, our universe rather, a better place to live. And thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. The last but not the least, Sicho Kawayanan. Okay. Do you feel any pressure right now? Okay. Okay, so judges, ladies and gentlemen, here's the question. The title, Transformational Icon, means more than just wearing recycled materials. In your own words, what does it truly mean to transform trash into purpose? Would you like me to repeat the question?
Translate of it.
Okay, so here's the questions again. The title, Transformational Icon, means more than just wearing recycled materials. In your own words, what does it truly mean to transform trash into purpose?
Para sa ako,
Okay, and judges, pwede natin hindi ma-translate question. So, Miss or candidate number 5, sa imo ko ulit-ingon yung tinagka, paano mo mapakita ang imong pagdaog bilang transfer trash icon into purpose? Paano ikaw makabuli or makatawag din sa ganyan kabuli maka-educate or makabuli and depends sa inyo aside sa nag-recycle sa imong costume today, sa imong ugalingon nga tinaga, ano ang matuod-tuod nga meaning sa transfer trash into purpose, ang imong nga maubra? Did I relate the question correctly, judges? Sakto? Okay na lang ga?
Okay na lang.
Okay.
Para sa ako, gamitin ko ang akong tino para sa mga kabataan. Gusto ko
Okay, it's okay. Okay na lang ga. Okay, yes, candidate number 5, Sicho Kawayanan. Okay. So judges, mark the scoring. So now again, I would like to acknowledge our official tabulator, Mr. Denso Tarumba. Sir, kaya pa? Okay. So, ang ating mga candidates, nag-ilis ka mo, or amo na lang na siya. Okay, so after the competitions with our official tabulator, we would like also to have the awarding afterwards. So I think judges are accurately giving the numbers for our category number 5 for the Q&A portion. Okay, and also sa liwat, sa tinenga ay di madamong salamat sa pag-ugyon in behalf sa Academy